We've been, well, it's 43 hours without being in the midget. We've gone cold turkey. Fortunately, we're going to get our midget fix very shortly.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hit the road, Jake. Yeah.
Yeah. It ain't 66, but it's still a midget drive on the perfect road.
Right.
We have determined that any road you drive a midget, no matter what it is, interstate, Route 66, gravel, that's the perfect road, baby.
Yeah.
Right.
Whoa. Oops. Sorry, Jim. Not close my door again.
Oh, shocking. That's never happened.
Doesn't that sound
Yeah,
good?
baby, yeah.
That engine sounds sweet as a nut, doesn't it?
Sounds beautiful. Check the fluids again.